Welcome to Mystic Cat. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of numerology. We're going to help you calculate your life path number, which is a key that unlocks unique insights about your personality and life journey. So grab a notebook and a pen, you'll want to jot down your numbers as we go along. First things first, you need to know your birth date. Write down your complete birth date in this format: month, day, and year. For example, if you were born on July 15th, 1990, write down the 15th of July, 1990. Next up, we'll add each of the numbers in your birth date together. Make sure to add them separately. For the example, the 15th of July, 1990, you'd add 7 for July. 1 plus 5 for 15 equals 6. 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to 19 equals 1 plus 9 is equal to 10 equals 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So that gives us 7 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 14. Keep this number in mind. Now, we need to reduce this sum to a single digit. In our case, 14 reduces to 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. However, if you get a master number like 11, 22, or 33, you can keep that as is. Have you gotten your final number? Great. Now, let's interpret what your life path number means. Here's a quick breakdown. 1. The leader. You're independent and ambitious. 2. The peacemaker. You excel in partnerships and are sensitive to others. 3. The creator. You're expressive, social, and creative. 4. The builder. You are practical and detail-oriented. 5. The adventurer. You seek freedom and embrace change. 6. The nurturer. You are caring and responsible, often putting others first. 7. The seeker. You are introspective and have a thirst for knowledge. 8. The achiever. You are powerful and goal-oriented, often a leader in business. 9. The humanitarian. You are compassionate and focused on helping others. 11, 22, 33, master numbers. These indicate heightened spiritual awareness and potential. Which number did you get? Share it with us in the comments below, and let me know if your interpretation aligns with your personality or experiences. Thanks for joining me on this enlightening journey through numerology. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. And remember, your life path number is just one piece of the puzzle. Let it guide you, and embrace your unique journey. Until next time, stay curious,